Good morning. Welcome to BNB class. शुभ प्रभात. BNB class માં સ્વાગત છે. Learn English speaking part 2. અંગ્રેજી બોલન શીખો ભાગ 2. આઉनुहोस् અંગ્રેજી શીખો. Come, let's learn English. Let's start. सुरु गरौँ. Repeat with me. मसँगै दोहोर्याउनुहोस्. Are you coming with me? Are you coming with me? के तपाई मसँगै आउँदै हुनुहुन्छ? Are you coming with me? Are you upset with me? Are you upset with me? के तपाई मसँग रिसाउनु भएको छ? Are you upset with me? Are you sure? Are you sure? के तपाई पक्का हुनुहुन्छ? वा के तपाई विश्वस्त हुनुहुन्छ? Are you sure? Are you sure you are right? Are you sure you are right? के तपाई विश्वस्त हुनुहुन्छ कि तपाई सही हुनुहुन्छ? Are you sure you are right? As soon as possible. As soon as possible. जति सक्दो चाँडो. As soon as possible. Please come as soon as possible. Please come as soon as possible. जति सक्दो चाँडो आउनुहोस्. Please come as soon as possible. Believe me. Believe me. मलाई विश्वास गर्नुहोस्. Believe me. I don't believe you. I don't believe you. म तपाईमाथि विश्वास गर्दिन. I trust you. I trust you. म तपाईमाथि भरोसा गर्छु. I trust you. It's very expensive. It's very expensive. यो धेरै महँगो छ. It's very expensive. It's cheap. It's cheap. यो सस्तो छ. It's cheap. Do you want something? Do you want something? के तपाईलाई केही चाहिन्छ? Do you want it? Do you want it? के तपाईलाई यो चाहिन्छ? Do you want it? I'm hungry. I'm hungry. मलाई भोक लागेको छ. I'm hungry. Give me something to eat. Give me something to eat. मलाई केही खानेकुरा दिनुहोस्. Give me something to eat. Let's eat something. Let's eat something. केही खाऊं. Let's eat something. You are watching B&B Class YouTube channel, your place for learning. Please subscribe. तपाई YouTube च्यानल B&B क्लास हेर्दै हुनुहुन्छ. तपाईको सिकाइको ठाउँ. कृपया सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुहोला. Would you like to drink something? Would you like to drink something? के तपाई केही पिउन चाहनुहुन्छ? Would you like to drink something? Buy it for me, please. Buy it for me. Please. कृपया मलाई किनिदिनुहोस्. Buy it for me, please. Congratulations. Congratulations. बधाई छ. Congratulations. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. धेरै धन्यवाद. Thanks a lot. Call me tomorrow. Call me tomorrow. मलाई भोलि फोन गर्नुहोस् है. Call me tomorrow. I will call you later. I will call you later. म तपाईलाई पछि फोन गर्नेछु. I will call you later. Don't forget it. Don't forget it. नबिर्सनुस् है. Don't forget it. Come with me. Come with me. मसँग आउनुहोस्. Come with me. Please come with me. Please come with me. कृपया मसँग आउनुहोस्. Please come with me. See you again. See you again. फेरि भेटौँ है. See you again. Don't forget to like and share our video. हाम्रो भिडियो मन पराउन र शेयर गर्न नभुल्नुहोला. Click here to subscribe. दिएको ठाउँमा क्लिक गरी सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुहोस्. Keep learning with BNB class. BNB class सँग अध्ययन र सिक्दै गर्नुहोस्. Thank you. धन्यवाद. हाम्रो भाग 3 हेर्न नबिर्सिनुहोला. हामी पुनः चाँडै नै त्यसलाई अपलोड गर्नेछौँ. Do not forget to see our part 3 for English learning and speaking. See you soon.